Peace be upon you and your family. 11th Chemistry, Refresher Course Model, Unit 5, Acids, Bases and Salt. Student Activity and Assessment. Answer key for Unit 5 we are going to discuss in this video. First student activity, take about 10 ml of dilute HCl in a test tube and add a few pieces of zinc granules into it. What do you observe? Zinc displaces hydrogen gas from dilute hydrochloric acid. Zn, when added in HCl, the metal always liberate hydrogen from HCl. Zinc lost 2 electron and becomes Zn2 plus ion. That 2 electrons are gained by 2H plus ion and is removed as H2. Chlorine oxidation state -2. When you write the oxidation state in class, that one is here, this 2 is the zinc chloride is formed with the liberation of H2. This is one of the properties of acid and also metal. Then, collect the following samples from the chemistry laboratory: HCl, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. Take 2 ml of each solution in a test tube and test with a litmus paper and indicates phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Indicator phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Solution: hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. Litmus: hydrochloric acid turns blue litmus into red. In phenolphthalein in acidic medium colorless, methyl orange in acidic medium pink in color. Sulfuric acid, all acid turns blue litmus into red. All acid, phenolphthalein in acidic medium colorless, methyl orange pink in color. Nitric acid, HNO3, blue to red. Phenolphthalein acidic medium colorless, methyl orange acidic medium pink in color. Sodium hydroxide is a base, NaOH. It turns red litmus into blue, and the color of phenolphthalein in basic medium is pink in color, and in basic medium methyl orange yellow in color. Potassium hydroxide turns red litmus into blue. The color of phenolphthalein in basic medium is pink, methyl orange in basic medium is yellow. Come to the third student's activity. Boil about 100 ml of groundwater in a vessel to dryness. After all the water gets evaporated, observe the inner wall of the vessel. Can you observe any deposit? If the water obtained from the ground, it may containing some hardness causing salt. The temporary hardness causing salt are calcium bicarbonate and magnesium bicarbonate MgHCO3 twice. The presence of calcium 2 plus ion and Mg2 plus ion gives hardness to water. And the temporary hardness salt are calcium bicarbonate and magnesium bicarbonate. Permanent hardness salt are chloride and sulfate of calcium and magnesium 2 plus ion. Calcium chloride, magnesium chloride. Calcium sulfate, calcium is an alkaline earth metal, magnesium sulfate. These 4 are permanent hardness causing salt. On evaporation, if the all water molecules are converted into water vapor during boiling, a deposit of calcium 2 plus, magnesium 2 plus, bicarbonate, chloride and sulfide are deposited at the bottom of the vessel. So, if the water is hard water, the salt deposited at the bottoms. Now come to the assessment part of this acid, bases and salt. Give the significance of pH of soil in agriculture. Significance of soil pH. It is a major factor in determining which trees, shrubs or grasses will dominate the land under natural conditions. pH influences the processes involved in the formation and development of soil. Most minerals are soluble in acid soil than in alkaline soil, thus releasing ions toxic to plants. Example, aluminium. It affects the availability of nutrients to the plants. Alkaline pH reduces the solubility of all the micronutrients, particularly Fe, iron, zinc, copper and manganese, except molybdenum and chlorine. Within a pH range of 6.5 to 7.5, most of the essential nutrients, especially phosphate, are available to plant. The soil pH also affects the plant growth by influencing the activity of beneficial soil microbes. Most nitrogen fixing bacteria are not very active in strongly acidic soil. Bacteria that decompose soil organic matter and thus release nitrogen and other nutrients for plant use are depressed by strong acidity. Fungi usually tolerate acidity better than do other microbes. Plant growth is also affected at high pH due to an excess of sodium ions both in soil exchange complex and solution, which actually deteriorate soil's physical conditions for plant growth. Moreover, nutrient imbalance and sodium toxicity may also decrease plant growth. Now come to the second assessment. Differentiate hydrate and anhydrous salt. Many salts are found as crystal with water molecules. These water molecules are known as water of crystallization. Salt that contain water of crystallization are called hydrated salt. The number of molecules of water hydrated to a salt is indicated after a dot in its chemical formula. You see this dot. Example, copper sulfate dot 5H2O. Copper sulfate 5 means pentahydrate. Hydra indicate water molecule. This water of crystallization makes the copper sulfate blue. When it is heated, it loses its water molecule and becomes white. Salt that do not contain water of crystallization are called anhydrous salt. Now come to the third assessment. Sulfuric acid is called king of chemicals. Why is it called so? Sulfuric acid is called king of chemicals because it is used in the preparation of many other compounds. It is used in car batteries also. What is basicity and acidity? Come to the basicity. The number of replaceable hydrogen ion present in 1 mole of acid is called basicity of acid. Acids, hydrochloric acid containing only one replaceable H plus ion, therefore basicity 1. Sulfuric acid containing 2 replaceable H plus ion, therefore the basicity 2. Nitric acid containing only one replaceable hydrogen ion, therefore the basicity is 1. Come to the acidity. Number of replaceable hydroxide ion present in 1 mole of a base is called acidity of base. Base sodium hydroxide acidity 1, potassium hydroxide acidity 1 and calcium hydroxide there are 2 replaceable OH minus ion, therefore the acidity is 2. Fifth assessment, classify the acids based on ionization and give examples. Acid get ionized in water produces H plus ion completely or partially. Based on their ionization, acids are classified into strong acid and weak acid. A strong acid, acid that ionizes completely in water, example HCl. Weak acid, acids that ionize partially in water, example acetic acid. The complete ionization is indicated by putting a double-headed arrow mark H plus ion and Cl minus ion. The weak acid partial ionization is indicated by single-headed arrow mark. Acetic acid undergo ionization gives acetate ion and H plus ion. Come to the assessment number 6. Give the uses of aqua regia. Aqua regia, king's water. It is a mixture of hydrochloric acid and nitric acid prepared optimally in a molar ratio of 3:1. Uses of aqua regia. It is used chiefly to dissolve noble metals such as gold, silver and platinum. It is used for cleaning and refining gold. Describe water of crystallization with the examples. Water of crystallization. Many salts are found as crystal with water molecule. These water molecules are known as water of crystallization. Salt that contain water of crystallization are called hydrated salt. The number of molecules of water hydrated to a salt is indicated after a dot in its chemical formula. Example, copper sulfate dot pentahydrate 5H2O. Penta, the prefix used to indicate 5, hydra, water molecule. This water of crystallization makes the copper sulfate blue. When it is heated, it loses its water molecule and becomes white. Salt that do not contain water of crystallization are called anhydrous salt. So, my dear students, in this video we discussed the students activity and assessment, answer key for unit 5 acid, bases and salt. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you very much.